In this video, I will show you how to make Google Chrome your default browser in Windows 11, so all your links open in Chrome automatically. Now to get started, what you want to do is open up your Windows settings. So if you come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom, in here type settings, and then open up settings underneath best match. So once you've done that, what you want to do next is come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto apps. In here, you're going to see an option for default apps. Give that a click. What you can then do is use the search box down here and just type Chrome or Google Chrome. You should see Google Chrome come up. Give that a click. That's going to take you to a screen like this. At the top, you're going to see the option to make Google Chrome your default browser. So what you want to do is click the Set Default button. As you can see, we've now got a tick next to this. So that's now been set as the default browser. And what you can do further is just scroll down and see the different file types and file links. You just want to make sure that Google Chrome is the default to open these different links. For example, you can see for a PDF that currently I've got Adobe Acrobat, but to change this, all we can do is give that a click. It's going to open a window like this. And from here, we can select Google Chrome and then click it on to set default. So now any PDFs will open in Google Chrome, and this applies for any of the other files, which you can see by scrolling through the list here. So that is how to make Google Chrome default browser in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.